Hi guys, welcome to GearBest, which we are known as quality, affordable, and fun. Stay with us today because we are going to show you what is called quality, affordable, and fun, because we are going to do a giveaway and we haven't really done that for a long time. So KOSPET, you might be very familiar with the brand. They give me a new generation of smartwatch today, but instead of just showing you the unboxing or simply just demonstrating all the parameters, we are doing a very simple comparison right here. So all the things are listed in front of me, and this one is the main character today, the Magic 2. Well, it's not Magic Mike, but I would imagine some muscular guys wearing this one. And this one is TICWRIS GTS, which we already included in previous videos. Those two are almost at the same cost. And this one is KOSPET as well, which is $10 more than this one. They look pretty much the same. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks and what's the difference with the parameters and what it supports more. So this one, almost the same size of the face, is at 1.3 inches and it's wider. I'm going to put it on my wrist to show you guys how big it looks like. And you can see it's here, and well, I've been wearing this for a whole day. And you just lift up your arm and they just wake up. Also, it might be a little bit difficult to tell, but this one, it has the surface glass all over the screen, and this one has a little bit curve on the side. So the new Magic 2 allows you to click on any points on the screen, which is kind of cool, and it's really smooth. Okay, so that's the look difference. Why am I having two straps over here? Because other than just coming with this whole side, you can also choose from one of those two. It's green and red. Let's say instead of simply replace the straps, when you are wearing something really colorful in the summer and you want to go with some red things, and you can just easily change it and it gives you a totally different new look. Okay, we're going to light them up and show you guys a little bit difference on the inside. And the cool thing I really like about the face, you can press in the middle and hold it still for up to 2 seconds. And it gives you 12 faces, and they are all cool. Whichever that you choose, you just click on it and it stays over there. And you swipe it up, it gives you all the functions that it support, and it's a status, message, and those are very simple, easy. But hey, come over here, that's the baby what is famous for. This one support 30 different sports, and seriously, I was looking through it, and all of a sudden I see this polling. I didn't know that it's some kind of exercise that you can you can track. Let's say I have this habit of wearing this on my left arm, and when I'm doing the pulling, seriously, how am I going to track? Is this going to track all the steps and walking around the pool table? I don't know, but it might be the difference between a smartwatch and me, because I don't know how to do the calculation, but this one does. But those two watches are still sitting on the table. Why? Because this one supports 5 different sports mode and this one supports 9. And do the calculation, guys. This one supports up to 30 different sports, and it supports 12 different faces, 13 different languages, and 30 different sports modes, and it comes with 128 IM storage, which support a lot of things, but also give you a very smooth feeling when you are touching the surface or switching from here and there. And those two are not really comparable to this. So if this is something you care about, doing all the trackings and all the new things that you want, definitely go with this one. And we are going to show you guys about the app that you download, which is over here, and we are putting it right here. It's such unfortunate that I've only been walking 570 steps the whole day. I mean, I'm be sitting too long in the office. I might need to go run and wear this to record how much calorie I spent. It's very simple, easy to understand version, and it's a home button giving you all the windows, and there is a fan button, and there is also your account. And this one comes together with your phone setup. So that's pretty much about everything. So I'm going to tell you the rules about how to do a giveaway, and we are going to do 1 giveaway with this and 2 giveaway with the TICWRIS GTS. And the rule is simple. So first, you have to subscribe GearBest YouTube channel. That's easy. And second, you really have to like my video right there and click on the like. And third, you are encouraged to share as many times as possible on all different networks. If you are getting more of the likes or forward, you are more likely to win all the giveaway gifts. We are going to release who to win all this gift by July the 6th. So stay up until July the 6th and follow our channel like always. So guys, looking forward to introducing more things with you, and stay safe and stay home, and I wish you all the best. See you next time. Bye.